Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through an easy guide on how to use Stan Store. So here's a quick beginner friendly guide on how you can easily use Stan Store. So for you to do that, the first thing to do is to sign up or log in. So go to stan.store and create an account or sign in if you already have one. Then from there, the next thing to do is to set up your profile. So for you to be able to set up your profile, you have to add your name, your bio, and your profile pictures. So these help visitors know who you are and what you offer. So after that, the next thing to do is to click the add product to start selling. So you can also add digital product, links, coaching calls or courses, or you also add free lead magnet to collect emails. After that, you can also customize your store. So click the edit store to change your color, the text, image, and layout so it matches your brand. Then after that, you can connect payment method. So go to the settings, then click the payment and connect PayPal or Stripe to receive payment from any customers. And after that, you can also add integrations, which is very optional. So for you to add an integration, you can connect different type of tools like Zoom, Google Calendar, or email platform to automate booking and follow-ups. Then after that, when you're done with the when you're done polishing your store, you can also click polished or make your store go live. So after that, you can now copy and share your store link. So you can share it on Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, or email to start getting traffics and sales. And that's how you can easily use Stan Store. Hope you find the video helpful. If you did, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more.